Hello my dear students, we are going to discuss about Unit 5, the memory devices and the digital integrated circuits, DIC, digital integrated circuits. This is our Unit 5 of our digital electronics. So, what our Unit 5 is having RAM, memory decoding, ROM, PROM, programmable logic array, programmable array logic, FPGA, digital integrated circuits. That is DIC. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the types of memories. Okay. So what are the types of memories available? You already studied in the correct. So the classification of memories. What are the classification of memories available? First of all, memory is segregated into two types. One is a RAM, random access memory. Another one is ROM, read-only memory. Then the RAM is segregated into two types. One is SRAM, another one is a DRAM. What is meant by SRAM? Static RAM. What is meant by the DRAM? Dynamic RAM. So what is the meaning of static? It's like a standard one. So what is the meaning of dynamic? It's like a mobile. That means a changing one. Mobile in the sense the it will go one place to another, or otherwise it is a keep on changing one. Okay, it's like a dynamic RAMs. Okay, so the SRAM is mainly categorized as two types. One is a bipolar static RAM, another one is a MOS static RAM. So dynamic RAM is already segregated into one type, so MOS. Then finally the ROM is segregated into MOS in the sense metal oxide semiconductors. So PROM, so EPROM, double EPROM. Okay, PROM in the sense programmable random read-only memory. Programmable read-only memory. So EPROM, erasable PROM. So electrically erasable PROM. So that is called as a W. Okay. Once again, PROM, programmable ROM, read-only memory. Here, erasable PROM, E for erasable. So erasable programmable read-only memory. Then here electrically erasable PROM. Okay. So here bipolar MOS, bipolar MOS, here MOS. These are all the classification of memories. Then RAM. Now we are going to discuss about the RAM, the read only, that's a random access memory. So that is called as a RAM. So the volatile chip memory, that's random access means a bit 0 to 1 can be written as stored in cell or read. So it will be detected into any form of any cells. So here we are going to use it as a structure of RAM. So here is a data in, so here is a data out, is like a input, is like a output, so it's like a address lines where it is stored, which address line we are going to store. So decide in a this parts. Okay. Now the static RAM, the flip-flop as a storage elements, then the SRAM as a either bipolar as a mass technology. There are two types, So the dynamic RAM, how we are going to segregate? The capacitor storage elements. So what is the meaning of capacitors? So because of the capacitor as a storage. So what is the purpose used as a capacitor? To store the storage purpose, Then DRAMs can store much more data in the SRAMs. Then DRAMs are available in only MOS technologies. Okay, then ROM. Now we are going to discuss about the ROM. The read-only memory is like a non-volatile memory, or also called as a non-volatile memory. Store the information permanently. What about the RAM? Is not a permanent memory because the RAM is a temporary memory. Okay, so please understand once again. So RAM is not a permanent only. It's like a temporary one. That is called as a RAM. Then ROM, the full form of ROM is read-only memory. It's like a non-volatile. So store the information permanently. That is called as a ROM. It performs only a read operation, does not have a write operation. because already I told you know it saved as a permanently. So that's why only it has a read operation and does not have a write operations. Okay. So all of you are clear that static RAM, dynamic RAM as well as the ROM, you know. Thank you.